our peace, debate our principles, and go on with the things that are required of our impulses. Are we tired to our impulses? Yes! Everything is up to us. Everything must come from us. And we are held to the future that awaits us. It is time to wake up now. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! We just cannot let ourselves be swayed. What are we indivisible? We have been in this space since time immemorial, and we shall always be in this delirium. Unless we to abdicate our own personal, yet selfish motives. Man turns man down. Indeed, man is a rational being, but he ceases to be one the moment passes through that state. Facts are much stranger than fiction. But then, we live in no dreamland. There is a green reality that we have to deal with. We are given of logic to think correctly.
But we are also given the prerogative to use this in such a way that should serve a common purpose.
Or a morally accepted ideology. Life is a game, they say. These things are just the basic and elementary steps to the achievement of world peace.
The underlying tune to these things still hums.
Hums for faith in God, to save us from the crisis of our own making. If we have failed ourselves, God never will. Indeed, the achievement of peace is just a matter of standardization of our morale and principles,
Of our faith in ourselves,
in others, and in Him, and in the holding of justice for the entire humanity. Saint Thomas Aquinas once said, Pax opus justitia. Peace. Peace is the product of justice. Is there still a way out? No one can ever tell.
no
One thing is certain. Man will never know the essence of peace. Unless the real meaning of death. To achieve world peace, by Maria Casal Legaspi.
Masakit na. Masakit na.
Say it's true, there's nothing like me and you. I'm not alone. Tell me you feel it too, and I would run away. I would run away, yeah, yeah. I would run away. I would run away with you, because I've fallen in love with you. No, never have. I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. Close the door, lay down upon the floor, and by candlelight make love to